Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to everyone's heart: productivity. Specifically, we'll be exploring how to crush your daily targets and achieve what you set out to do. Let's face it, we've all been there. The to-do list seems to grow longer by the minute. Distractions are everywhere, and by the end of the day, we feel like we haven't accomplished much. But fear not. There are strategies and techniques we can implement to turn things around and become daily goal-crushing machines. The first step to daily domination is planning. Here's why. Clarity. Taking time to plan your day gives you a clear picture of what needs to be done. This eliminates the feeling of overwhelm and allows you to prioritize tasks effectively. Focus. A well-planned day keeps you focused on achieving your goals. You'll be less likely to get sidetracked by distractions when you know exactly what needs to be done and when. Efficiency. Planning allows you to create a workflow that optimizes your time. You can group similar tasks together, schedule breaks, and anticipate potential roadblocks. So, how do we create this magical plan? Here are some tips. Night owl or early bird? Plan when you're most productive. Are you a morning person who tackles big tasks early, or do you find your focus sharpens later in the day? Schedule your most demanding activities accordingly. The power of lists. Make a to-do list for the next day. Include everything from work projects to personal errands. This brain dump will free up your mental space and allow you to focus on the task at hand. Prioritize ruthlessly. Not all tasks are created equal. Use a prioritization framework like the Eisenhower matrix to categorize tasks as urgent, important, urgent, not important, not urgent, important, and not urgent, not important. Focus on completing urgent and important tasks first. Be realistic. Don't overload yourself. Be honest about how much you can realistically accomplish in a day. Factor in buffer time for unexpected interruptions. Now that you have your battle plan, let's talk about execution. Tame the time monster. Break down large tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. This will make them seem less daunting and help you stay motivated. Minimize distractions. Silence your phone notifications, close unnecessary browser tabs, and find a quiet workspace to minimize distractions. Techniques like the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes focused work followed by a 5-minute break, can be helpful. The power of saying no. Don't be afraid to politely decline requests that will eat into your productivity time. Remember, your time is valuable. Celebrate your wins. Acknowledge your accomplishments throughout the day. This will keep you motivated and focused on achieving your goals. Bonus tip: embrace flexibility. Life happens. Be prepared to adjust your plan as needed. Unexpected events may arise, so don't be afraid to reprioritize or reschedule tasks if necessary. The key is to remain adaptable and focus on progress, not perfection. Thanks for joining me today. I hope these tips help you achieve your daily targets and become a productivity pro. Remember, consistency is key. By implementing these strategies and making them a daily habit, you'll be well on your way to conquering your to-do list and achieving your goals. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for unlocking life's code on more productivity hacks and motivational content. Until next time, keep crushing those goals.